This is the first time for me to put this little attachment on Shepherd's chair, and he's just figured out that he can kick it, and it makes noise, and so he's trying to figure out how to get his feet up there. Oh, you did it! It's neat to watch him figure things out. So he was grabbing his knee, trying to get his leg up there to kick it. So he's having fun. See, I'm figuring something out. I'm figuring out how to kick the toys. Oh yeah, you're doing good. He's been sitting here for about 20 minutes while I clean out the closet and just entertained by this little attachment that hangs down. He is growing up fast.